Hi students, in this video we will be solving question number 13 from the chapter Straight Lines and the exercise 10.1. If you go to playlist and look for Straight Lines folder, you will be able to find all the sums and all the derivations related to this chapter. Now let us check question number 13. If there are 3 points h, 0, a, b and 0, k, if all the 3 points lie on a line, then we have to show that a by h plus b by k is equal to 1. This is what we have to show. That means these 3 points are collinear and we have to show this. Okay. Now let us solve this. I am calling these 3 points as a of h, 0, b of a, b and c of 0, k. All these 3 points lie on a line and they are collinear. When the points lie on the line and they are collinear, if I find the slope of the line using the points a and b, and I will find the slope of the line using points b and c, don't you think they both will be same? Because we'll be finding the slope of the same line, right? Yes, this is the line. If I use these 2 points to find the slope, or if I use these 2 points to find the slope, both will be absolutely same because it's the same line of which we will be finding the slope. So we can easily say that slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. We had solved similar sum, or we had used the similar concept in question number 8 from the same exercise. They had given that the points are collinear. We had to find some x coordinate of a particular point. We used the same concept that the 3 points are collinear. So we equated the slope similar to this and we found the x coordinate of a particular point. So in this case, when we know 2 points on any line, the formula to find the slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. We are using the same formula and applying it to points A and B first. That would be, I'll be taking this as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2. Interchanging x1, y1 and x2, y2 does not affect the equation or the value of the slope. So then it would be y2 minus y1. That will be b minus 0 divided by a minus h. Again, to find the slope of BC, I'll be considering B and C as points. Then this is x1, y1 and this I'll be taking as x2, y2. Then this would be k minus b divided by 0 minus a. That is what I have written here. Slope of AB is b minus 0 divided by a minus h. Slope of BC would be k minus b divided by 0 minus a. Now let us cross multiply this. What do we get? B minus 0 into 0 minus a is equal to k minus b into a minus h. Now let us multiply and open the brackets. What we get is minus ab is equal to ka minus kh minus ab plus bh is what we get. Now minus ab and minus ab gets cancelled. Our equation will be 0 is equal to ka minus kh plus bh. Now I can rewrite this as kh is equal to ka plus bh. Now after this, look at this. What is the form we have to bring in? We have to bring in h and k in the denominator and there is 1 in the RHS. What we shall do is we will divide throughout by kh. Why should we divide throughout only by kh? Just to bring in h and k in the denominator and to make this term as 1. Is this clear? So we will be dividing the whole equation by kh. Then what we get is ka by kh plus bh by kh is equal to kh by kh. Now here k gets cancelled, here h gets cancelled, here both the terms gets cancelled and it becomes 1. So it is a by h plus b by k is equal to 1. So this is what we had to prove. It's a very simple and easy sum. We used the concept of collinearity. We found the slope of the same line using different points and equated them to get this particular equation. Is this clear? If you still have any doubt, please do mention it in the comment section.